The main key is these two products here. Hi everyone, this is Ryan and I'm gonna tell you how I cope with my acne today. To be honest, I had like hundreds of acne when I was a middle school student and it's gotten a lot better. I mean, I still have those things, especially the day after I drink. But I actually hadn't cared about my pimples that much before cause just those didn't leave any blemish on my skin. But you know, as time goes by, I'm getting old, my skin is getting old, so I just realized that my skin takes a longer time to recover itself than before. So yeah, getting rid of pimples and acne cleanly and quickly became my top priority now, and I just thought it would be a great idea to share with you guys how I take care of my pimples. The main key is these two products here. This is from a 3M Nexcare and you can call this Blemish Clear Cover Light. And this one is from Acropass and you can just call it Trouble Cure, I think. And I guess you even already heard of these patches in Korea if you are interested in Korean skincare. There are several types of patches, and when I was working in Lobes, one of the most frequently asked questions was, what is the difference between this one and this one? Let me explain how this works first. I mean, this is from 3M and some of you might already know how this works, but you know, there can be some who doesn't know. You can use it by just attaching this on your skin where your pimple is. It helps your pimple properly heal just by blocking dirt from outside. Most times I have pimples on my face, I just cannot stop touching them. It's like I always unconsciously need to check like, is it still there? Oh boy, it's getting worse. But you know what? Touching them with dirty hand is what makes it worse mostly, so if you put this patch on your pimple, nothing can touch it directly, like germs, dirt, and you. When I used it, I couldn't see a drastic effect immediately, but using it consistently stopped it from getting worse, and I'm satisfied with that obviously. So wash your face and hand cleanly and put this on your pimple. And next, this green patch is basically different with the patch before. It actually has micro-sized needles under the patch, so the medicine has a direct effect on your pimple. They give you wiper with alcohol to sterilize your skin before attaching it, so don't worry about your safety too much. And my experience of using this green one, it was slightly rough cause it actually stung, but after like 12 hours of using, I could check the effect visually. I recommend you use this green patch when you have a serious pimple on your skin, like when it's so painful or when it's so big and not getting smaller at all. But when you have small size or not that serious pimple on your skin, I recommend you use the patch before. I mean, this green patch is much powerful and more helpful, but this is kind of outrageous in my book. In contrast with this patch having almost 80 pieces per 5,000 won, this patch has only 6 pieces per 9,000 won. I know the price gap is insane and I'm just not able to use this green one that much, but if you are like rich enough to use this green one mainly, leave me some hopefully. Anyways, if you're gonna use this cost-effective one, there are two kinds of this product. The one with not totally transparent patch and the another one with completely transparent patch. The pink one is the one that can conceal the pimple, so you can use that when you wanna conceal the spot, but when you use that, everybody can easily notice that you put something on your skin. So I use the pink one only when it's extremely bad, and I have never used more than one of that at one time. So I hope you guys get how these patches works before using this. I mean, I'm not so sure that they have these exact products in your own country, but there can be similar patches at your local pharmacy or drugstore, I think. So I gave you some tips how I cure my acne, and these patches are what directly take care of pimples. If you cannot find any places selling like those stuffs, well, I don't know. I will make more videos of how to cure acne without these patches if you want. So leave a comment hopefully and like this video and subscribe me. And see you. And next,